Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video will show you how to make a washable and reusable face mask. First I will start by cutting my main fabric at 25 by 20 centimeters and then two pieces of lining fabric at 20 by 13 centimeters. Turning the fabric right sides together, find the center of each piece and align one of the lining pieces to the top of the mask and one to the bottom. Sew along the top and bottom of the mask. Now turn the mask right sides out, and I would suggest ironing the seams in place before moving on to the next step. Hem the edges of the lining fabric. You can use an overlock machine to do this, or you can do it how I've done it here. This section will be the part where you put the filter. Once that's done, I'm going to turn the mask over and start folding it. I didn't want more than 4 folds, but if you prefer, you can just do 3 bigger folds. Turn the mask back over and sew the folds in place, making sure to sew the lining down with it on each side. Once you've done that, sew the edges of the mask, which will make it less fiddly to hem the edges. To hem the edges, fold it over twice and sew it in place at about 1 centimeter in. This will give you enough room to thread the elastic straps through. Now to complete the mask, take some elastic and cut it at around 25 centimeters. The thinner the elastic, the more comfortable it will be around the ears. Note that the length of the elastic will vary depending on how tight the elastic is. Take a safety pin and feed it through the hem and tie the ends together. And there you have a very simple DIY face mask. There are many opinions as to whether DIY face masks are effective, but having seen people shopping with scarves around their noses and pulling their tops to cover their face, I think having any mask is better than having nothing at all. If you have any concerns, just research the best material to use and always follow the government guidelines. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.